Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to connect Maya to Play Store. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. From here, you want to click on your icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then on this page, you want to confirm that you are logged in to your account. If not, go ahead and choose Switch Account. But if you're all done, go ahead and scroll down and click on Payments and Subscriptions. From here, you want to click on Payment Methods. And on the next page, you'll see the option to add Maya. Just click on it and then it'll ask for your details such as your number and your name attached to your Maya account. And basically that's it. Now you know how to connect Maya to Play Store in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guide, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.